All right, guys, welcome back to Three Styles. So today is Tuesday, July 6th, 2:39 Houston time. And today we're going to analyze JUMIA, ticker symbol JMIA. But I'd like to give you a general quick update on the market before we get started, just so you can compare and you can be aware of what's going on. This is real quick. And for that, I like to use SPY. So let's look at it real quick, guys. So for the month, ever since this downtrend that I told you guys it was gonna be here, but it was only gonna last till this Friday, and that's because the general market uses the SMA 50. Right here, my purple line. Let me show you over the whole year, or 6 months is closer. The whole year might be too far. So every time it dips, guys, boom, it bounces off the SMA 50. You see it? Boom. Every time it hits it, boom. When it goes back up, that's usually when it continues a small correction, unless it's like a major downtrend or like an actual crash or something. So that's why I told you guys this Friday that this was probably gonna be the last down day, and it was correct. And today was a red day, but the thing about today, it started really red and then it's going up, as you can see right here on the 5 minutes. So that everything's looking good. It is a red day, but the tail usually indicates back up to forward movement, especially when it's down up on an uptrend. Like whenever you see tails, it just means the next days or next couple of days will be up. So hopefully that stays true and the general market will be like that. All right, so now for JUMIA, guys, let's get on to it. All right, JUMIA. So for the day, it is down 2.8%. As you see, it's started giving us hope, and then went straight down, then back up to giving us hope again, then straight down, and then kind of just give up, guys. But anyways, for the month, I guess we'll begin with my HMA 14 line, which is my fastest swing trade line. So if the candles are finishing under it, it's gonna be a negative trend, right? This line right here, my blue dotted line. So this was all negative trendings. This one was somehow up there, but not, it was weird. But then anyways, over here they started trending up, and it was buy, and then over here sell. So right now it's under that line. It's definitely a sell line. Over here you can also see the volume stayed about the same. I need this to raise, come on. But it's been negative volume the past couple of days, so that's a no bueno. In the 3 months, so on the 3 months, let's look at the PSAR signals, guys, which is the pink dots. Okay, over it means negative or sell, under it means positive. All right, so it was downtrending. Oop. Over here, like, it got confused, I just got the wrong way, downtrending, and over here was uptrending. And over here is downtrending, uptrending, downtrending again. So this map kind of stretched out, it doesn't really show you the movement that much as this one, because the 3 months is kind of stretched up. You don't see that much movement on it. So anyways, what we can see here is the MACD, and it was a good, when it was uptrending, it was good, guys. The MACD turned to positive, the histogram turned to positive. It had just been the three hits on the RSI. If you guys are an RSI trader, you know that after 3 hits to the bottom, usually an up correction, which is exactly what happened. So it gave you a bunch, and the PSARs were down here. It did give you all the reasons in the world to buy it right here, guys. But then when I made my first video on it, right here I told you it was starting a downtrend, right? I don't know if you guys remember. And I told you this was either going to be a short-term or a medium-term downtrend, and I was correct. It was about a short-term downtrend. And then it started going back up again, which I bought back over here, but then that didn't last. I think I sold, let me show you. Am I missing? I feel like I'm missing a candle here. Yeah, today's candle. I sold it here, the first PSAR, that was going to be a negative. And so far, everything here showing me negative right now. I can't tell if it's going to be long-term or short-term, but if you're a swing trader, it's under the SMA 14, the PSARs are on top of it. It went back down under the SMA 50, negative volumes coming in. So right now, it's time to sell if you're a swing trader, guys. So over the year, what I like to use as call my longest, I guess, entry or swing trade point would be the SMA 50. And I always say if it's over it, it's healthy, right? Because it's not gonna switch that much. It's more steady line. So over here they're all over it. Then over here they checked in under negative. You see, it's like a negative downtrend. So I told you guys it was testing this over here in my last video, which is good. You want to be over it, but it needs to be able to test it for a week and a half to 2 weeks, and it didn't do that. It lagged it when it went down. So now it's in nowhere's land. The only scary thing about it now is that it's under negative territory again. So we gotta watch. This could be a big dip when it's under there, or it might just be testing it before it gets back up. Same thing with SMA 21 line, right? When this one crosses over on top of the SMA 50, the blue line, then it's positive. Over here, it crossed over and it was on negative. Then over here, it crossed it, which is several reasons to buy it, but as you know, a quick correction. So you don't know where that's going. And if you don't know where you're going, why risk your money, guys? Be out of it right now until you get good signals, okay? So that's my update for today. But remember, news and events before indicators. Indicators to work. I already showed you guys, I think 2 videos ago, how much I've made from this. And I mean, it's good using indicators. You could always trade that way from it. Why trade blindly? But definitely news and events first before anything else, because it could be a big event tomorrow that could change this candle to positive, and then the next one after, and you know, it would just change after. You would get the signals a couple of days after to buy, but if you look at news and stuff like that, you'll be more ahead of stuff. So news and events before indicators. If not, you can follow patterns and you'll still be alright. But that's my video for today. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, I leave a comment, help out the channel, because I'm still new and making videos and I want to grow more. So thank you.